Hi guys, and welcome back to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video is my May Teachers Crate subscription. So this box, like I said guys, comes every month. So if you're a new subscriber here, welcome to my channel. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. You guys already know how this works. I get these boxes once a month. On a certain date, it ships out, and then I get it before the beginning of the new month. So this is May's subscription box, where it is what it is. You guys can hear that there's some things in there. As we are getting closer towards the end of the year, I'm very curious to see what I will get for May, and then of course for June, as those are my last 2 months of school. So school gets out for us June 10th. And so I'm very excited to see what's in here, and I'm also excited to see what I get for June. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it by opening this up. Sometimes it's easier than other times to open, but that's okay. I have all the time in the world. So these boxes are roughly about in between $30 and $40 a month. That is with shipping and handling. So it's never over 40 bucks. So cute little box that comes in the mail just like this. So in this box for today, I have a 6-click gel pen. So here is my 6-click gel pen that comes in these colors, as you can see here, and it's a cute little pen. Next, because it is spring, I got a spring lanyard that I could use at any point in time. It doesn't have anything like teacher-wise on it, but it is very cute, and definitely love switching up my lanyards every now and then. You can just easily put them around your neck like this, or you can use the clipper right here to clip it onto your pants, and you can keep it on you like that. Next, I got this little box. Let's look in here and see what is in here. Oh, this is adorable, guys. I got this cute little apple heart plate that has the gold stem, and I could easily put this on my teacher's desk over there to just put anything I want in it. So a cute little heart. And then I also got a book. It says School's Out, a daily countdown and guided journal for educators. So stressed out about your caseload, stuck grading papers on the weekend, writing IEPs in the wee hours of the morning, thinking about how you'd give that lesson differently. Are you a veteran teacher who wants to change things up? Are you a new teacher overwhelmed by establishing new routine? School's Out is a guided journal that offers teachers, school psychologists, counselors, and other students support providers a healthy end of work habit with the goal of establishing and reinforcing school and home boundaries to optimize work and life balance. The prompts, affirmations, and mindful moments are intentionally written to help educators choose positivity over negativity and to help process any secondary trauma as a result of the school day. Namaste well. So on the inside of this book, there is just a couple different things. There's a dedication of who this book is dedicated to, the table of contents, and then something that I could color, and it says make yourself a priority, starting with the introduction and the overview and the purpose. Tips and tricks for teacher wellness, how to journal, stages of burnout, word cloud. You can choose from any of the words to reference in your journal entries. And then, so it looks like you can start here. It has different quotes for each page at the top, and then it also asks you like it gives you the dates, that is day 1, how many days to go, and then it asks you different questions that you guys can answer throughout the school year. So it goes all the way up to day 180, and yeah, so I can use this for next year. Towards the back of the book, it comes with some mental health resources about the author, another coloring page, and then just a couple of blank pages. So this is a really great resource. I did not know that they had this. I definitely will keep this in mind for next year coming back up. And so last but not least, like I said, sometimes you will get these shirts. It's probably almost a guarantee that you will get a shirt each month. If you don't, there's something else in place that they substituted for. So opening up my shirt. My shirt says, it's a good day to learn. So this is the shirt for May. It's a good day to learn. It's blue, and every month your box will come with your size shirt. You just have to implement that on your when you sign up, so that it can be under your account and they know what shirt size to send you. As you guys can see, mine is an extra large. I think that I need to go in and edit mine and bring it down to an actual large, just because I don't want it to be so baggy or so big. But these shirts are starting to become a collection of mine, and I can always use them for the following year coming up. So yes, in today's box, I did get a shirt, School's Out journaling book, a red heart or red apple plate, as well as the 6-click pen, gel pen, and the lanyard that is springish. So these are all the items that you get. You get roughly 5 to 6 items in your boxes, all for one price, and you also pay shipping and handling. And I can honestly say that these are the best boxes that I've invested in, especially as a teacher, because these keep me looking forward to what is coming in the next month. So be sure to check out April's, as I'm going to list it in my description box down below, and just be sure to check them out. June's will be coming at the end of May. Thanks for watching.